In the realm of heartbeats, not all rhythms are created equal. Enter heart murmurs, and a typical sound during your heartbeat cycle. It's like a symphony that's slightly off-key, but worry not, they're often harmless, a benign tune played by your heart. Yet, occasionally they may signal something more. A heart valve disease perhaps, or a hole in the heart. Symptoms, they're elusive. Fatigue, shortness of breath, or chest pain might be your clues. Diagnosis? It's simple. A stethoscope can catch the unusual rhythm. Treatment? It varies depending on the cause. Medication, surgery, or even just regular checkups might be the answer. Remember, your heart's song is unique. Keep it playing beautifully. Until next time, keep your beat steady and strong. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.